cowman should be friends. Oh, the farmer and the cowman should be friends. Oh, one man likes to push a plow, the other likes to chase a cow, but that's the reason why they can't be friends. Territory folks should stick together, territory folks should all be pals. Cowboys dance to the farmer's daughters, farmers dance to the rancher's cows.
Kansas City on a Friday. By Saturday I learned a thing or two. For up to then I didn't have an idea of what the modern world is coming to. I counted 20 gas buggies going by themselves almost every time I took a walk. And then I put my ear to a bell telephone and a strange woman started in to talk. What next? Yeah, what? Everything's up to date in Kansas City. They've gone about as far as they can go. They went and built a skyscraper 7 stories high, about as high as a building ought to grow. Everything's like a dream in Kansas City. It's better than a magic lantern show. You can turn the radiator on whenever you want.
Stories that link my name with yours.
Why do the neighbors gossip all day behind their doors?
I know a way to prove what they say is quite untrue. Here is the gist, a practical list of don'ts for you. Don't throw bouquets at me. Don't please my folks too much. Don't laugh at my jokes too much.
Who laughs at your jokes?
People will say we're in love. Don't sigh and gaze at me. Your sighs are so like mine. Your eyes mustn't glow like mine. People will say we're in love.
You a buggy ride.
I'll give an imitation of a crawfish and dig myself a hole where I can hide.
I heard how you was kicking up some capers while I was up in Kansas City Mall.
No!
I heard some things you couldn't print in papers from fellas who've been talking like they know.
Foot! I only did the kind of things I order. Sorta. To you I was as faithful as could be. For me, them stories got away. I lost my bloomers. Rumors! A lot of tempest in a pot of tea.
The whole thing don't sound very good to me.
Well, you see,
I
that
go
you...
and sold my last wild oat. I cut out all shenanigans.
Out tonight with me, honey, here's the way it's gonna be. You will sit behind a team of snow-white horses in the slickest gig you'll ever see. Chicks and ducks and geese better scurry when I take you out in the Surrey. When I take you out in the Surrey with a fringe on top. Watch that fringe and see how it flutters when I drive them high-stepping strutters. Nosy folks will peek through their shutters and their eyes will pop. The wheels are yellow, the upholstery is brown, the dashboard's genuine leather. With isinglass curtains you can roll right down in case there's a change in the weather. Right side lights blinking and blinking, ain't no finer rig I'm thinking. You can keep your rig if you're thinking that I'd care to swap her that shiny little Surrey with a friend on the top.
What'd you say the fringe was maple silk?
I wouldn't have no other kind but silk.
Has it really got a team of snow-white horses?
One's like snow, the other's more like milk.
No, you tell them apart.
All the world will fly in a flurry when I take you out in the Surrey. When I take you out in the Surrey with a French on top. When we hit that road, hell for leather, cats and dogs will dance in the heather. Birds and frogs will sing all together, and the toad. Judd is dead, poor Judd cries dead. All gather round his coffin now and cry. He had a heart of gold, and he wasn't very old. Oh, why did such a fella have to die? Poor Judd is dead, poor Judd cries dead. He's wrong.
Young father.
There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. There's a bright golden haze.